Hi there. Today I am going to explain the best liars in America. We are pleased to announce that 13 of our liars have been recognized as the 2021 best liars in America. Two of the attorneys on this list are also being recognized as the Lawyer of the Year in their respective practice areas. And we have first time recognized on the one of the watch list by best liars. We are so proud of our team that they are going very good. Two Liars of the Year, Devil L. Palmer was named the best liars to 21 bankruptcy and creditor debtor rights involved recognizing Lord of the Year in Rochester, New York. Second, Richard Risebonne was named as the best liar 2020 attribution Lawyer of the Year in Rochester, New York. Here I am going to explain the best 10 liars in 2021, where you can contact them and how you can meet them. First of all, I am going to share the information about Jack M. Battaglia. Jack M. Battaglia Jacob Battaglia was the best lawyer in America. He is the senior counsel in Bellicon Courts, Trust and Estate Department. He concentrates his practice in tax controversies. He is the best concentrates his practice in tax controversies and estate planning. He had done LLM in Georgian University Law Center in 1965. He also done LLB Syracuse University College of Law in 1962. He had done BA Michigan State University in 1958. His affiliations are American Bar Association, member of the Tax Section and the Committee on Civil and Criminal Tax Penalties. You can contact him by dialing the number 585-232-5300 X294. You can also use his landline number 585-232-3528. He practices the area in tax controversies, taxation, trust and estates. He is the senior counsel in Bellicon Courts, Trust and Estate Department. Jack concentrates his practice in tax controversies and estate planning. Video to join Bellicon Court. Mr. Jack spent nearly 3 decades as a partner at Woods Oviatt Gilman LLP, concentrating his practice in civil and criminal tax and estate. Jack's extensive experience in tax law includes practice before the IRS, the tax court, and the federal district courts. He also speaks lectures frequently on tax law topics and has authored numerous articles. You can contact him through his LinkedIn page. You can search him through his LinkedIn page and you can contact him. Here is his email. You can contact through his email. He is the best lawyer in America. Second, if you don't get his appointment, you can contact anyone. Second, I am going to share about Michael F. Buckley. He is the most famous and senior lawyer in America. Let me show you about the detail of Michael F. Buckley. You can contact him through his landline number, phone number, or LinkedIn. You can also contact him through his LinkedIn. He is concentrating his practice on complex estate planning, business succession, and estate and trust administration. You can contact him through his phone number 585-238-3504. You can contact him through his landline number 585-238-3528. You can also contact him through his email. They will respond as soon as possible. If you have any confusion related to your lie, you can contact him. He had done J.D. Cornell University from Cornell University in 1968. He had also done BA from Dartmouth College in 1965. His affiliation is that Michael Buckley is member of the American College of Trust and Estate Councils, Trust and Estate sections of the. He has specialized in all aspects of estate planning and administration for several years. You can contact him. These are the most popular lawyers in America. You can contact him and solve your problems through by contacting them. Thank you for watching the video.